welcome back to my TV. And today I'm gonna do this video. Is going to be a spam file, break with me, get ready me, you know, it's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff, you know. So right now I'm getting ready for school. It's 10:27. I just got the shower. I had kind of forgot about vlogging, but I had just remembered when I'm supposed to my ride wave. Oh my god, girl, you gotta vlog, put that work in. So right now I'm getting ready for school. I'm just show y'all everything I be doing in my morning routine. The only thing I just did was shower, so y'all ain't missed nothing. But right now I'm listening to Ride Wave.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
Alright, but I'm ready for school or whatever. It's 10:58. I leave here like, I can't even say what time because I don't even know. But it's homecoming week. It's pink and camo day. I haven't been participating. I never participate in homecoming. So yeah. So I decided to wear pink and camo today. But I'm definitely going to school. I shouldn't have any work today because one of my teachers, well, I only have 2 classes. So one of my teachers, she out sick. And then my other teacher, we took our test for the unit yesterday. We always take our test on Thursdays. So we took our test yesterday. So I'm hoping he don't teach anything because we're going to be out of school for a week. But if we're not doing that, I'm going to be watching Shameless all day at school. Hello. I'm in class. And we're not learning today. We're not learning anything today. And everybody just made their grade.
Yeah. All right,
Okay, that's all. Hey y'all, don't mind my face. I just got off of work and this stuff all over my face. Like, this is a hard working face. I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna show y'all. Like, it's kind of like my morning routine, but I just do one extra step. So yeah.
I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Alright y'all, so I just got done flattening my hair. I didn't do a lot of footage because baby, like, I was sitting on that floor and my back was hurting. I was watching Moana, like, towards for the movie. And I do feel like I give Dora, like, Dora. Like, my hair's so short, but it's gonna grow. It's gonna grow, it's gonna grow. But, yeah. I guess it's not as short as it was, like, when I first got it cut. Because that wasn't no trim, baby. That was a chop. Chop, chop, chop. That's what that was. But, and I did good. Like, I always do good on my little silk press. It don't look bad like this. I think I want to bump the ends, but I'm gonna get it clipped. So just imagine like getting my ends trimmed. It's probably gonna be right here. It's not that bad. Like, it's giving classy mama. It's giving classy moment. Very much. Let me. Oh, this time I look when I'm a teacher. Let me put my glasses on. Yeah, so. Oh, it look better with the glasses. I feel like my glasses put the look together. My glasses put the look together. Don't play with me, cause I look good. Dora looks good. I ain't put no oil or nothing. Like, this is just, well, y'all know I put that roof oil on my hair, but that's it. And I put that before I blow dry this. Good. I look good. I look good. I look good. I look good. See how when she's trim my ends. So this is it before. Okay, y'all, my hair is trimmed. Let me show y'all. This what it looks like. It's really cute. I like it. It's giving booty. Still giving Dora. Guess I'm gonna forever give Dora, but this is the back. This what it look like. Oh, I thought somebody was saying something. Oh, who said?
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
So right now, I'm about to make me some dinner. It's 56, I just woke up from a nap. This plant-based sliced Italian sausage. Some rice, white rice.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You fucking warm with my heart, just think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I'm I wanna drown. I need to hear from you, but can't wait no longer time.
I already washed my hair. I'm about to blow dry it. And it's like 9 something in the morning. This is my hair. I didn't condition it because I don't have any conditioner, so we're just gonna pray about it.
Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what I've done. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Okay, so I'm gonna just come back when I got each row done, because y'all watching me party is not gonna get us nowhere, okay? Alright, so I done did 2 rows so far. So my hair is done being parted, and my auntie did like 3 rows. That's it. But I did the rest, and she just did 3 rows because I got lazy. And I'm also doing my sister's hair at the same time. Who you know? I need to be getting paid. But I'm gonna go finish my sister's hair. Alright, y'all, so I got this bonnet on because my hair looks crazy. And I was just gonna finish the rest of my hair. Well, I haven't started braiding or anything. I just did the parting, but I was gonna finish my hair tomorrow, just do all of it tomorrow, but I'm not doing that right now, and it shouldn't take me all day. I should get done with my hair around like 6. I don't know, I'm just estimating because I be taking breaks and stuff. So I'm gonna do one right here to see, like, that's gonna be my test braid to see how big I want my braid to be and see how I go throughout the process. But let me show you my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna do a braid right here and show y'all. Alright, this is the hair I always use. These is so tight, like, I don't know if you could tell, but they're so tight. It's cute. I think I like this length. I was kind of like, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of not feeling the box braids because, baby, who wear box braids still? Like, everybody do knotless, but just like, be different. Bring the box braids back. Like, everybody don't have to have knotless. Be yourself. And box braids is so easy for me because I'm already parted. All I gotta do is braid, and my hair is really soft and they don't last on my hair. So I did 3 rows so far, and it's 11:08 right now. I had to stop doing my hair because the baby started crying. I had to give him a popsicle so he could stop crying. So now he's sitting here watching Blippi. So I'm gonna just clean up, wrap my hair up in this bonnet, and just play with him until he falls asleep. And then I'm gonna go to sleep too, and then start back tomorrow morning. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep because my hair hurts so bad. Like, I didn't want to stop doing my hair so many times because it just hurts so bad. Like, just painful. Like, I feel like I got my hair done by the professionals. Like, it hurts so bad. I don't know. Pain about a 5. Yeah, this is what I got so far. So don't mind the background. Y'all know I'm working, doing my hair, did my sister hair. I'm finna go to bed. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Yeah, it's going good so far. So it's the next day. I done already started braiding. Like, I'm another row down. I got another row down. Almost done, but I'm tired. I woke up at 9 o'clock, but I didn't start my hair till like 11. But I'm finna lay down in this bed because I'm tired. But I'm not gonna go to sleep because I can't take nothing less than a 4-hour nap. And if I take a 4-hour nap right now, it's gonna be 4 o'clock. But I can always not go to school tomorrow, so I'm not tripping. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done laying down. So I just woke up from my nap. I ended up taking a 4-hour nap. Told y'all, like, I can't help it. Like, that's just who I am. So it's 4 o'clock and my hair look cute. So I'm finna wear like Speedy Gonzalez. Like, I'm finna wear it so fast. So I'm finna already have my hair party and just be working like a Betty. But I'm finna wear like Speedy Gonzalez for real. Like, it's the her. Hello, y'all. I'm trying to whisper because the house is quiet. I just feel like when the house is quiet, baby, I need to whisper. But I'm gonna show you my hair. I can barely move. Here, this is what it looks like. Ooh, child, this don't hurt. This is what it looks like in the back. I don't know if I'm going to school tomorrow. I'm going, I might not go to school. I don't know, because I gotta clean up, I gotta do my laundry, I got so much stuff to do. But I also need to go to school because education is important, like, girl. And I ain't showing y'all me doing it because, like, I'm just ready to get this over with. But, yeah, I ain't really getting no footage for real because these was a lot of braids, as you can see. And I've been doing this all day. Should I oil my scalp? But I feel like this gonna make my braids loose. So I'm not gonna oil it, but when I'm asleep, it don't hurt that bad. Like, it only hurt when I move it. That's why I wanna put it up in a scarf. I feel like I got it done by the people. But it cute. Real cute. I'm not braiding the ends. I'm not curling the ends. It's too much, but this would look like I look bad. I look good. But I'm gonna go clean my room and go to bed. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow if I go to school. If not, y'all gonna see me cleaning up and stuff. So yeah, it's the next day. I did not go to school because I just got too much stuff to do. Last time I see that, she looked like she was real sad, but it's just like school can wait. Like, baby, it's gonna be there tomorrow, but this laundry gonna be here tomorrow too, and I don't need that. So one had to go, and it's the laundry stuff. I forgot to do my little montage, so it could be cute, but I'm gonna do it next look. But right now, turn it on. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a montage right now to be funny.